Portable charger for outdoor activities, review and recommendations. Title: Portable charger for outdoor activities, review and recommendations. Introduction. In today's digitally driven world, staying connected has become an essential aspect of our lives, even when we venture into the great outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, or engaging in any outdoor or activity, having a reliable portable charger is crucial. In this article, we will review and recommend some of the best portable chargers available in the market that are specifically designed to meet the needs of outdoor enthusiasts. 1. Anker PowerCore 26800 Portable Charger. The Anker PowerCore 26800 is a top-rated portable charger that caters to the power-hungry needs of outdoor adventurers. With a massive 26800 mAh capacity, it can provide multiple charges to most smart phones, tablets, and other USB-powered devices. Its Power IQ and voltage boost technologies ensure fast and efficient charging, saving precious time during your outdoor adventures. The charger is also designed to withstand rugged outdoor conditions, featuring a durable exterior that is shock-resistant and dust-proof. Moreover, it comes equipped with versatile input options, including booting micro USB and USB-C, allowing you to charge the power bank using various sources. Overall, the Anker PowerCore 26800 is a reliable companion for activities that demand extended outdoor usage. 2. Jackery Explorer 240 Portable Power Station. For outdoor enthusiasts who require an off-grid power solution, the Jackery Explorer 240 Portable Power Station is an excellent choice. With a capacity of 240 Wh, it can power small appliances like laptops, mini fridges, and even medical devices in addition to charging your electronic devices. Equipped with a pure sine wave AC outlet, multiple USB ports, and a 12V DC outlet, it offers versatility in powering a wide range of devices. This portable power station also stands out for its portability, weighing just 6 pounds, 3 kilograms, and featuring a compact design. It can be easily carried in a backpack or placed in your camping gear without taking up much space. With its eco-friendly solar charging option and silent operation, the Jackery Explorer 240 is a fantastic power solution for eco-conscious adventurers who value their off-grid experiences. 3. RAV Power Solar Charger 2500 mAh. If you're looking for a portable charger that uses renewable energy, the RAV Power Solar Charger 2500 mAh is an ideal choice. With a large 2500 mAh capacity, this solar charger can provide multiple charges to most smartphones and tablets. It also features a rugged and water-resistant design, making it suitable for outdoor conditions. Equipped with dual USB ports and a built-in flashlight, it offers functionality and convenience in one package. While solar charging is slower than traditional charging methods, the RAV Power Solar Charger 2500 mAh is a fantastic backup option to keep you connected during extended outdoor adventures. 4. Goal Zero Yeti 400 Lithium Portable Power Station. For those seeking a high-capacity, feature-rich power station, the Goal Zero Yeti 400 Lithium Portable Power Station ticks all the boxes. With a capacity of 428 Wh, it can power a wide range of devices, including laptops, cameras, and even power tools. It features multiple AC outlets, USB ports, and a 12V port, offering ample connectivity options. This power station can be charged through various methods such as solar panels, car chargers, or wall outlets, providing flexibility depending on your outdoor setting. With its sturdy build quality and silent operation, it is perfect for camping trips or remote expeditions where reliable power is a necessity. The Goal Zero Yeti 400 lithium portable power station ensures you can enjoy your outdoor activities without worrying about running out of battery. 5. Anker PowerPort Solar Charger. If you prefer a solar charger that is both efficient and compact, the Anker PowerPort Solar Charger is a great option. With its high-efficiency solar panels, it can convert solar energy into power at an impressive speed, allowing you to charge your devices directly under the sunlight. It features 2 USB ports, enabling you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. One of the main advantages of the Anker PowerPort Solar Charger is its portability. It is lightweight and foldable, making it easy to carry in your backpack or attach to your camping gear. Additionally, it is designed with durable materials that can withstand outdoor conditions, ensuring its longevity even during rugged adventures. Whether you're hiking, backpacking, or spending a day at the beach, this solar charger will keep your devices juiced up. 6. Halo Bolt Portable Charger. If you're looking for a portable charger that can also jumpstart your car, the Halo Bolt Portable Charger is a versatile choice. With a capacity of 5772 mAh, it can provide multiple charges to smart phones, tablets, and even power-hungry laptops. In addition, it features a built-in 120V AC outlet, allowing you to power small appliances or electronics. What sets the Halo Bolt apart is its jump-starting capability. Equipped with jumper cables and a built-in flashlight, it can jumpstart your vehicle's dead battery in case of emergencies. This makes it an excellent companion for road trips or outdoor adventures where you may need a boost for your car. With its compact size, it can easily fit in your glove compartment or backpack, ensuring you're always prepared for any situation. 7. Zenger SuperTank Portable Charger. For those who require an ultra-high-capacity portable charger, the Zenger SuperTank is the answer. With an astounding capacity of 27,000 mAh, it can charge most smartphones up to 7 times on a single charge. It features 4 USB ports, including a USB-C PD port, allowing you to fast-charge multiple devices simultaneously. The Zenger SuperTank is known for its durability. It is built with a rugged exterior that can withstand drops and impacts, making it ideal for outdoor activities that involve rough terrains. Additionally, it includes pass-through charging technology, enabling you to charge the power bank while simultaneously charging your connected devices. With its massive capacity and robust construction, the Zenger SuperTank is a reliable companion for any outdoor adventure. 8. Goal Zero No